Welcome. If you've ever needed to make a quick copy of a file in Google Drive, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest, most up-to-date way to duplicate any file right from the Google Drive app on your phone or tablet. Whether you want to back up a document, share a version with someone else, or just keep things organized, these steps will have you covered. First, open the Google Drive app on your device and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're in, browse through your files and find the one you want to copy. It could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or even a photo. Next, look to the right of the file's name. You'll see 3 small dots. This is the Options menu. Tap on those dots to bring up a list of actions you can take with that file. From the menu, tap on Make a Copy. Google Drive will immediately start creating a duplicate of your file. This copy will have the same content as the original, but its name will start with Copy Of, making it easy to spot. Now, you get to choose where this new file will live. After the copy is made, you'll be prompted to select a location. You can keep it in the same folder as the original, or tap through your folders to pick a new spot. Once you've decided, tap Select to confirm your choice. That's it. Your file is now safely copied and stored exactly where you want it. You can open, edit, or share this new file without affecting the original. This is perfect for making edits, collaborating with others, or just keeping a backup handy. With just a few taps, open the app, tap the 3 dots, make a copy, and choose your location. You've mastered one of Google Drive's most useful features. Try it out the next time you need to duplicate a file, and keep your digital life organized and stress-free.